Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to change background color in Google Sheets. So first of all, what you have to do is go on format right over here. Now go on alternating colors. From here, uncheck this box, header. Now click on select data range. After that, click on this box right over here on top left corner. Now click on OK. Now from here, select the color you want. For example, I'm selecting this one and this one and click on done. So as you can see, background color is changed. Now you can do whatever you want with it. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.